Sam Bankman-Fried and Caroline Ellison collaborated to create a crypto empire for 4 years. Ellison managed the hedge fund linked to FTX, the cryptocurrency exchange Bankman-Fried established in 2019. In addition to their shared interest in MUT, the two individuals shared a number of other traits as well. Both were raised by successful academics, pursued their education at esteemed institutions, and believed strongly in the value of charitable giving. Both also shared a lavish penthouse in the Bahamas with friends and were occasionally said to be seeing someone. Ellison and Bankman-Fried have now, however, severed their ties in a significant way. She is now working with federal prosecutors who have charged him with masterminding one of the largest financial frauds in U.S. history. The charge is against Ellison that she, Bankman-Fried, and other FTX executives conspired to steal their customers' money to invest in other businesses, make political donations, and buy expensive real estate, which carries a maximum sentence of 110 years in prison, were dropped last month. Ellison apologized to FTX clients and investors in January hearing, stating that she knew what she did was wrong. Bankman-Fried denied the allegations against him on Tuesday. On October, he will stand trial. During many interviews prior to his December, upon being placed under arrest on December 12th, he argued that his only wrongdoing was poor management, not willful fraud. Gary Wang, FTX's former CDO, entered a guilty plea in December. He is 29 years old. Elon Graff, one of Wang's attorneys, stated that Gary had taken responsibility for his deeds and was serious about his responsibilities as a cooperating witness. A request for comment from Ellison's attorneys went unanswered. Bankman-Fried spokesperson Mark Botnick declined to respond. Bankman-Fried might not like the results of Ellison's deal with the government. She and Wang's prompt admission of guilt and execution of the agreements raises the possibility that they will testify against Bankman-Fried in court. According to Nima Ramani, a trial attorney and former federal prosecutor based in Los Angeles who is unrelated to the prosecution's case against the former crypto executives. They are fully cooperating, he said. The government will ask the judge to take Ellison's significant assistance to the prosecution into account when determining her final sentence. To have their sentences reduced, defendants frequently consent to testify against the people they are accused of conspiring with. In contrast to Bankman-Fried, who faces a sentence of between 10 and 20 years, Ramani predicts Ellison's sentence could be as little as 5 years if she cooperates with the government. MUT prodigy. Ellison rose swiftly to prominence as one of the leading figures in the cryptocurrency industry. She discussed her upbringing, education, and quick tour of Wall Street before landing at Alameda Research, the Bankman-Fried-owned hedge fund that was closely integrated with FTX. In an interview that aired on the internal podcast of FTX in July 2020, professors of law at Stanford are the parents of Bankman-Fried, while Massachusetts Institute of Technology's MIT mother and father are both economics professors. She was introduced to MUT at a young age by her father, who wrote children's MUT textbooks. She read a lot as well, starting with a thick Harry Potter book when she was only 5 years old because she couldn't wait for her parents to read it to her. According to her, her father encouraged her and her sisters to participate in MUT competitions, which she continued to do throughout middle and high school before enrolling in Stanford to study MUT in 2012. She stated that one of the main reasons she picked the Bay Area University was because it was the best school that's not in Boston. She applied for internships at quantitative trading firms in her junior year because she wasn't sure what she would do with her degree. These companies use sophisticated MUT and algorithms to forecast market movements. After completing 2 internships at Jane Street Capital, a significant quantitative trading firm, Ellison received a job offer. She then got to know Bankman-Fried, who had been employed by the company's New York office for a while. He left in 2017 and relocated to the Bay Area, where Ellison later requested to meet. He repeatedly postponed saying yes, but eventually did, she claimed. She was informed by Bankman-Fried of the cryptocurrency trading business, Alameda Research, which he had just started. She soon left Jane Street to go with him. She said, "It seemed like too cool of a chance to miss. By now you should know who is Caroline Ellison, whom involved in one of the biggest crypto scandal in history so far."